All right, we've got all this wonderful honey in the kitchen, and I want to make something not that has honey in it, but something we can drizzle the honey over. And what better drizzler maker can I do than a sweet potato biscuit? I'm going to start by sifting 1 1/4 cups of self-rising flour with 2 heaping tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt. And I'm just going to take my spatula and run those through the netting. And there we go. We've got a nice fine mixture of flour and sugar. Now over here, I'm going to mix 3/4 of a cup of mashed cooked sweet potatoes. And I'm going to take a 1/2 stick of room temperature softened butter. And I'm going to blend those together. I'm going to bring this over and add this to our flour mixture. All right, and I'm just going to cut this buttered sweet potato into our flour, just like you were making a biscuit with just shortening or butter. You want to just cut it in. And now I'm going to take 1/4 of a cup of milk and work that into our mixture. Right, now I'm going to take some self-rising flour and put on my cutting board. And I'm going to scoop my biscuit mix into that flour. And I'm going to give it some toss-arounds in that flour because the milk had our dough real soft. So I'm going to just knead that dough in that flour until our dough is the right consistency. So I'm going to take the rolling pin and I'm going to roll these out. And, you know, depending on the thickness that you want for a biscuit, I kind of like mine a little on the thicker side. Biscuit cutters can come in all different shapes and sizes as far as that goes. So it just depends on how big you want your biscuit to be. I kind of like the medium size, so I can have 2 of them. I feel like they're not that big, so I can have 2. So I'm going to choose this cutter. And you'll want to take your biscuit cutter and dip it in your flour so your biscuit will pop right out of there. All right, and you can see that I'm going to be cooking my biscuits today on a black cast iron skillet. And this is my hoe cake maker that I'm putting these on. It's just the perfect piece of equipment. All right, one more. The perfect amount for that pan. All right, now I have some melted butter back here. And I'm just going to brush the tops of my biscuits with this real butter. That butter is going to make those biscuits golden and give it some more butter flavor. Here we go. Into the oven, 450 degrees for 20 minutes. But I'm going to keep a close eye on those biscuits because I don't want them to cook and get too brown on the bottom and not be brown enough on top. My thoughts are on that sweet potato biscuit because I do want to eat it while it's hot. Oh, look at that beautiful biscuit. And that yummy honey butter. Mmm. Come here, Cody. You want a biscuit? Don't miss it, y'all. Don't miss it. It's out of this world.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.